Welcome back, guys. So I'm so excited to unbox this. This is the Kanye West Yeezy Boost 350 V2. This is the clay color. Style number is EG7490. Colorway is clay. Retail price is $220. It was released on March 30th, 2019. And I just got it today, and let's go ahead and get this unboxed. It come directly from Adidas.com. So it seems like the box is kind of banged up a little bit from the shipping. So let's see. So some of this side is coming apart because I think it's due to the shipping from the FedEx. So you got the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, adidas.com/Kanye West. Got the Adidas logo. Make sure it's right in the center of this gap right here. And then on the top you got the 350, and on the side you got the Boost. Check out this side. And on this side is blank on the bottom. Let's go ahead and check on the size label. So this is the EG7490 clay. It is made in China. Make sure you get the UPC PO number right here if you guys want to do some legit check. This one is size 9.5. They say this, if you want to get the size, it is not true to size. You have to go a half size higher or half size up, because the knit material or something is somehow is kind of feel like it's squishing your feet. Wow. Wow, look at this. Very nice. And then you got this tag is on the left hand side of the shoes. So if you guys play baseball, this is the clay what they put on the field, and that's the color. That's why it's called clay. And as you can see, this is like a translucent right here on the stripe. You can see the inner mesh around the toe box right there. And on the back of the pull tab, you got this bright neon orange color. And somehow on the midsole section, they put like a light orange tint to it. And you got the Boost technology right here. And right here it says Boost. And then on the top, it says Adidas. With the Adidas logo on there. Not sure if you guys can see it, but and you got the clay lace. So the patterns looks different in every part of the shoes. Right here you see like a slanted diagonal. And then right here you got like a different pattern, like a rectangular. And then on the side of the toe box, it is a different pattern, almost like a slanted again on this side. And then right here is like a slanted diagonal. And right here you got like a straight line going down. And also over here, it is a totally different pattern. And again, right here, it is totally different pattern again. And you got a bigger diagonal lines right here. Go and take out the shoes tree. And then you got the Adidas. Not sure if I can see it. Let me take out the insole. Got the Adidas, the logo, and then Yeezy. It is like a beige or font or color. And they got the YH0010, 8.5 to 9.5. I'm not sure why they didn't print it clearly. And then there's your Adidas with the logo right there. Make sure you have those nipple dots. And then make sure this is cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps. So let's go ahead and check on the label real quick. Hopefully I don't need to turn on the flash. Let's see, get a better light right here. So I guess manufacture date is January of 2019. And there's an article number right there. And it is made in China. And make sure you have this like a horseshoes on all the Yeezy 350 V2s right here. You got the 3 at the stripe right here. I believe it is 3M reflective. And then here's the other shoes. Oh yeah, I forgot to point out the dot. It's kind of hard to see. So you got the between the threading right here. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots within that rectangular box. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots right here on this side as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So as you can see, right here in this section, you can see my finger. So you can see through it. So if you wear like a colorful socks, black socks, white socks, it's gonna show through it. Well, I'm kind of glad I got this shoes, because at first I wasn't gonna cop this because I thought Yeezy was dead, and then I'm glad I double checked the retail price. Right now, this shoes is going about $375, and then actually I saw some on the other day. It went up to like $410. So I'm not sure why it goes down. So I guess it's like a stock market. It fluctuates up and down. But it was pretty hard to cop this from the Yeezy supply and also on the Adidas.com. At first, I was choosing a size 6 for the resale, and then unfortunately, some of the payment it says fail through the connection or something. So, and then this is the second time I got select from purchasing from Adidas.com. But I use like 4 different computers. I'm glad I use 4 different computers instead of just one, so I get a better chance of copying it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. And stay tuned for the on feed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.